type of video before a couple of months ago now, but I've actually made a workout routine now. Like, this is generally what I do every time I work out. Now that I've put weights and building my muscle into my workout, I just feel like I want to work out again. I said this in my last vlog that I worked out, in that I've just fell back in love with working out. Now, I don't have like a proper schedule. I try and work out as frequently or consistently as I can, but my actual workout doesn't really change. So I'm going to show you all the equipment that I've got and that I use. I'm going to show you my workout routine, but a quick summary is I do 20 minutes of walking and running, but I use this up here. It's couch to 5k. Now, I don't do the full 30 minutes because in the past I did couch to 5k, and I was actually on even the Facebook group, and as a disabled person, because I've got cerebral palsy being the main physical disability I've got many others, but cerebral palsy is the one that can affect my workout. But having cerebral palsy, being a disabled person, and posting once about, I didn't know you were meant to start running up to 30 minutes. The amount of people in that group were like, how did you know that? Like, just acting like I was stunned. I just didn't feel welcome in that group anymore, and then I stopped working out for a bit, but now I'm back into it. But I do use the Coach to 5k app, but I only do week 1, and I'm just building my, I forgot the word, adrenaline, no, the thing that makes you go faster and like be able to work out for longer, whatever that's called. I'm just building on that, and then also working on my muscles, because I heard that building your muscles and having more muscle, like making you have more muscle than fat, helps you lose weight quicker, because it makes your metabolism go quicker. So that is a quick summary of my workout routine. I also wear a sweat belt, but let's go and get changed. So that is the run part done. This is what it says on my watch, and then that's what it says on there. So that's the amount that I walk, like 4.5, and then I now run at 7.2. Some people might think that's not that fast, but keep in mind I've got a heart condition and I've got a cerebral palsy, so my knees can normally like cave in, and it kind of did it near the end, but I'm okay. But that is what it looks like side to side. So as you can see, like, my watch calculates it better than probably the running machine. Now I do like a little rep session. I don't know what it's actually called, but like a little session. So I'm going to show you the stuff that I used. I do like 10 of, I don't know what you would call it, but pretty much every workout exercise that I do 10 of them. So let me show you what I use. First thing I use is this. I got this a couple of weeks ago. It's a push-up or press-up. Like it's a push-up like kit exercise thing board, but it's called Active Sport. This was actually trending a while ago on TikTok. I can't remember if they actually sold it, but I saw it everywhere and I really wanted to try one out, and it is actually really good. I'm gonna check if it does actually later, because I'm sure I did see it on TikTok shop. But I also do squats with this, and this is 5 kilograms. And then I do like side to side, you'll see what I mean in a minute, with this, and it's 4 kilograms. My sister got it a couple of weeks ago. And then I got new weights. These ones are 2 kilograms, and I do like push-ups, and I hope like lift my arms up and down. And then when I'm doing the squats with the 5 kilograms weight, I put this on as well. I've lost like my medium one because the medium one was really good for me, but I've lost it. So I just use the just light one because the heavy one's still too heavy for me to do it. I'm starting off with back. So with that muscle session, or whatever you would call it, and stretching, I've done 22 minutes and of that, and burnt 174 calories just with that. So I've altogether done 44 minutes of working out, so not too bad.